All right, boys, CARTI just dropped, so you guys know what time it is. We're gonna cook something up for him. Honestly, I'm just gonna say 30 songs is way too many for the album. I was not trying to listen to 30 songs where 5 songs he sounds like Future, and then there's like 2 songs where he sounds like Laser Dim, and I was just like, what the fuck? Is this Laser Dim? Is this Future? Is this CARTI? I don't fucking know, but there are a few good songs. I like the songs Backdoor, Toxic, Fine Shit, Olympian is cool too. There's like a few others, but honestly, I doubt there's songs that I'll like listen to again. You know what I mean? Like they're like, I don't think I'm really trying to listen to somebody like deep throat a mic while I'm just like chilling in the car. Anyway, we're gonna cook a beat and let's do that. All right, we're gonna do something around like 140 to 148, and we're gonna do something kind of like arpy. So let's go to Serum 2. I just got Serum 2. Still haven't really figured out how it works. This shit is pretty crazy, but let's find some sort of arp. We need something like really plucky. I don't know if I'm just like a hater today. Serum 2 is just mad overrated. Pretty much like Serum, but you can do like more LFO type shit. We're gonna Hive instead. I guess that could work. Let's do some sort of bass line. I'm just changing the preset. I want something more like plucky. Yeah, that's probably like the best one. I'll add like a snare and some drums, and then I think I'm gonna like mess around with this like pluck. You want all your drums to be like super loud, so just keep that in mind. So I'm gonna change this pattern. We're gonna do it like this. Let's pitch everything down. Let's do like 4 down. I kind of fuck with that more. Okay, let's get another arp and layer him. Okay, let's get another arp. Take the delay off. You gotta boost the 808 more. Okay, now we need kind of like a lead, but I'm gonna try stacking another arp. Let's just keep adding more fucking arps, man. Okay, we're gonna change this arp right here. Yeah, I actually fuck with what we're doing now. And some quick sauce, instead of like right clicking on your sound right here to solo, what you can do is just hold control and then click. And then that solos, and then control click to unsolo. Super sauce. Shout out Charlie. Charlie put me on. Fucking legend. Okay, we're gonna change this arp right here. Okay, I like this arp, but it doesn't fit with the rest of the shit. I really like this sound. This is my favorite sound right here. This. now we gotta add the finishing touch, which is that fucking super loud snare roll. So right here, we gotta add a snare roll. Let's get the snare. The snare, yeah, that shit's so loud. Okay, now we need that like swamp IZZO sound effect. Let's go. Yeah. And then we're just gonna spam the shit out of that. Super loud. That shit has to be so loud. Fucking crank it up. Let's go. Yeah. Distortion on this right here. Crank everything up more. Yeah. See ya. Yeah. We're gonna hit a freestyle. We're gonna hit a freestyle on this. Everything is super loud. This is exactly what we want. We spam the see ya, not the see ya. We spam the swamp IZZO. See ya. See ya. So ass, bro. This is so bad, dude. This should be illegal. Holy shit, that takes so much effort. Dude, my neighbors are gonna think I'm fucking retarded, man. I'm going through like a fucking retard phase, man. Shawty stupid out that lean and she hit me up. I got freaky out that bean and she freaked me up. Dude, this shit is... Yo. Yeah, we might just call it at that. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you guys liked the video, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe, you know what I mean? If you guys want more CARTI freestyles, definitely make sure to hit that sub. If you guys want any of my kids, the links are down below. Shout out to CARTI, bro. Keep deep throwing in the mic. We really appreciate it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.